Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Well, which is your base level? Which is your base level? Are you interested to hear a level 20 base specialties? Then stay tuned. I'm gonna say, I'm gonna reveal the actual situation of level 20 base and which class is suitable for that. Okay, and um I had successfully upgraded my base to level 20 and it sucks a lot of millions of resources. And once again, if you want to go to level 22, you can see 17 million money, 19 million food, 19 million fuel, and 38 million that lumber is required. So now I'm going to discuss I'm going to discuss about the special buildings, the food production, the income, resource income, and the smooth. Is this base is going smooth in farmer class, or you need a raider class or a trader class, which is suitable in level 20? Okay, stay tuned. Basically, I just started upgrading my base. You can see here, my all my banks are level 19, but I got an extra bank. That is, now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 banks in total. That means I have a I have a very good production system here, and you can see in case of food production, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 7 farms are allowed out to build in level 20 base. So it's very we will get a lot of resources, we will get a lot of resource income through that. And also in the case of fuel also, you can see here, I just upgraded my fuels to 20, all my fuels to 20. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fuels are ready. And in case of water filter, there is no change. It's just similar to level 19, and it is okay. It is, there is no need for that water filter. It's just I'm just using that for filling my ration tank and buying it for some money in the commercial hub. And what actually special in level 20 base is nothing but the VIP shop. You can see VIP shop is available from level 20 onwards, but it is the name itself, it is very important thing. If you unlock this, if you build this, there is no use. If you unlock this using 10,000 VIP badge, then I will say it is the most it's the most amazing thing. You can see here, I need 10,000 VIP badges to upgrade, and it need 8,200 rupees. That much precious. That is, you're converting from a person to very important person in this survival land. And nothing more important in your uh, military or troops, because as you can see, if I am upgrading my vehicle factory into level 20, it won't give the next level troop. I have to reach level 22. Okay, so there is nothing more to unlock in troop section. Okay, and you will get an extra bunk, and extra hospital in level 20 base. That's the most amazing thing. You can see here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 9 bunks in level 20 base. Also, the iron production has been increased rapidly, so that I'm feeling I'm getting a lot of resources as backup. And I think 1 or 2 days for 1 or 2 days to reach 10 million resources in my base. I'm saying that I will reach 10 million resources by just um, using these resource iron refineries and lumber something. Okay, so farmer itself is good for this base. Farmer is good, but if you reach level 22, you will get 22 vehicle factory, and you will get the next level troops. Then I will say farmer will not give any progress to your base after level 22. Up to level 22, farmer is best, and you have to farm. You don't want to attack anyone, because the world is very strong and you are weak. After 22 onwards, you will be the strongest among the strongest. Okay, and in hospital section you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 hospitals are there. It will give you extra wounded capacity. And as you can see in daily events, there is a lot of changes happened in daily events, because daily events are based on your base level. So as you can see, the rewards has been increased, and the millions that is required to get that reward is also increased. But you can see in level 19th base, I just get only 2500 gems on this third box, but now you can see I'm getting 3000 gems. That's the benefit of level 20 base. So these are the main points that I know up to this point, and I'm upgrading this base to a further next level. So I don't know what will happen in the future, but up to now the resource backup is very nice, resource income is very nice, and the farmer class is nice, and it's sufficient for level 20, I think. And after getting into level 20, level 22nd base, then you can change your class to radar. So up to there, I think farmer is better. Shield during killing event, and gather as much as you can possible, and build your base for future raider. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.